Introduce to you week 14, which is April the 10th through the 16th. You're going to need to study pages 254 to 257 and pages 266 to 270. After completing this week's activities, you should be able to talk about what used to happen, what you used to do in the past. You should also be able to describe a scene in the past and be able to contrast what happened in the past with something else that was going on. All of this week's assignments are due by the end of the day, the 13th of April, 2017, and they address student learning outcomes 1, 2, and 3. To get started, you're going to need to watch the instructor videos on the imperfect in Chapter 7 vocabulary. So if you click this link, it'll open up the book, and there you'll find a couple of videos on the imperfect and one on Chapter 7 vocabulary. Then go back out here, click on the class participation link to the forum, open it up, then hit reply and post any questions or concerns you have about the material that was covered in the video, or any other questions or concerns you have about the class thus far. Okay. Then you will need to, then you'll see that you have oral dialogue 3. So we'll visit My Language Labs and complete oral dialogue 3. Make sure you've done your browser tune-up, turned off your pop-up blockers, and set up your microphone before getting started. And if you don't remember how to do that, I keep sending it out to you guys. I'll try to remember to do it again. But if you go under course announcements, where it says remember to do this first, problems with the test or orals, it's the same email I keep sending out. So this tells you how to turn off your pop-up blockers and how to getting the recordings to work. So there's just various videos that explain that. I don't think most of you have microphone issues, so I think I just keep sending out how to turn off the pop-up blockers. But if you had an issue with your microphones, over here on the left-hand side, there's how to set up your microphone for Windows 7, Windows 10, and for Macs. Okay, so if we continue down here, and then you also have assignment 16 where you had to visit My Language Labs and complete SAM 8-9, 8-10, 8-11, 8-12, 8-13, 8-34, 8-35, 8-36, 8-37, and 8-45. Okay, so you can click the link. The link will take you to My Language Labs. There's 2 of them right here, or I already have it open. And you click on the 13th. The 13th pops up right here. Again, you have various vocabulary tutorials, some grammar tutorials, and some extra practices. None of those are assigned. There's no extra practices or grammar tutorials, so you do not have to do those. They're just extra if you need it. You do, however, need to do the ones that have an S beside them, which you can see 8-9, 8-10, 8-11. Those are the ones that are right here. Those are the ones that are required. And after you've done that, you also have an oral test. I'm going to go ahead and open that. Remember, you only get one attempt at this, so make sure your computer is set up and that you have a good Wi-Fi connection, or that you're even better, that you're plugged into your network. Then you hit continue. Okay. All right, so this one says, your friend Leandra has posted a new vlog in which she asked her viewers to answer some questions for her, answer each of her questions, and complete sentences in Spanish. So this time you're going to listen, but you're going to write out your answer.
¿Cuál es tu comida favorita?
So, what's your favorite food? Mi comida favorita is pizza, or whatever you want it to be. So for each of these, you'll listen and then you'll write your responses and then send it to me, and hit finish and submit for grading and send it to me. Okay, and that's all you have